welcome you friends. Uh, we warm welcome you. You must watch a blog. Our blog is India Tourist. indiatourist.blogspot.com. This is a blog for basically new tour places of for worldwide level. So if you want to adventure life, so it is a more beneficial for you for those guys, those who want to adventure life, adventure tourism and adventure sport. So it is a it this is a this blog is a very beneficial for those guys willing to adventure traveling and what adventure travel tourism also, especially we are also promoting also adventure travel tourism in the worldwide level, not in under developing countries or developing countries. We are promoting it as an adventure travel tourism also. So here is this blog also promoted by www.indiatourism.in. This is a website also come on 13 May 2013 due to travel tourism promotion also. And this website promoted also Delhi Mall tourism in Delhi NCR area, NCR mall tourism, and also filed applications in the ST media. So which is promoting not in a only not a travel tourism, also it also promoting mall tourism in Delhi NCR. So if anybody outsider of a country or NRI or any outside of traveler or outside of NCR people are coming in on Delhi, so it is so everybody should be visit this website. So if they want to shopping or they want to buy any product or any willing to eating any dish, so it is a right place for access this website and go for a particular direction there where he wants to visit that mall. So it is about sponsor website indiatourism.in. Its address is Kalki Bazar, West Dehradun, and let's become on indiatourist.blogspot.com. It is also promoting a UP Varanasi city also. It is a holy city, and all Himalaya tourism we are also promoting. Himalaya 777 Himalaya adventure tourism we are also promoting, and government also promoting. And because hill tourism in if you want to come in adventure, if you want to go in adventure tourism, adventure tourism, gliding adventure tourism, and rafting and climbing, these kind of adventure tourism very essential in the Himalaya area, and you can enjoy your lovely moment in with your family and individually also. And this is and you can feel here healthy, protecting environment, supporting environment in J&K if you want to go. So it is a more beneficial for you. We are also providing every new tourist spot, which is very essential for every guy to enjoy your unforgettable moment also with your family, with your loved ones. So welcome you friend. You must visit this blog also and this website also, www.indiatourism.in, and enjoy your lovely moment, enjoy your lovely unforgettable moment. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Have a nice day.